Good morning to one and all. My name is Suresh. So today we are discussing about the sound lesson. Other topic. The topic name is the identify the different sounds in the different situations. What is the topic name? Identify the different sounds in the different situations. What is the topic name? Today we are discussing about the identifying different sounds. Identify the different sounds in the different situations. Different situation. For example, in the classroom, one student is coming to the stand on the blackboard, and also he turn on the blackboard side. His face is turn on the blackboard side, and also on the back side of the student, some students are sitting in the classroom and they make the different sounds. They make the different sounds, and here only stand one student. He is identify the which student is making the which sound. He identify the which student is making the sound, and he observe the sound. For example, I draw the one table. This table is the sound heard, and another side way of producing ways of producing sounds, producing way of this sound producing. Okay na? So these are the table. For example, I will draw the one table. This table, one side sound heard, another side waves of producing sound. For example, here only a few stones are rattling in the metal box. How to produce a sound? So the sound is coming from the gala gala. What sound is coming? Gala gala. A few stones are rattling into the metal box. How to produce the sound? We are taking some stones. These all stones are gathering into the one metal box. Okay now. So which sound is producing? Here only coming the sound is the gala gala. Which sound is coming? Gala gala. Which sound is coming? Gala gala. Next, a student has producing his her mouth. Produce the. A student has producing the sound is her mouth. Which sound is coming? Yela. For example, in our school to PD sir visiting the yela. Which side? It is called coming the yela. A student has, second one. A student has produced by sound her mouth. Which sound is coming? Is her mouth? The sound is coming from the yela. Which sound is coming? Yela sound is coming. Which sound is coming? Yela sound is coming. Next, third one. Someone knocking the table. Someone knocking the table. Which sound is coming? Taka taka. Which sound is coming? Daba daba. Someone knocking to table by using iron scale. Which sound is coming? Daba daba. Which sound is coming? Daba daba sound is coming. Okay now. Someone sticking the table with the iron scale. Which sound is coming? Tapa tapa. Which sound is coming? Tapa tapa sound is coming. Which sound is coming? Tapa tapa. Sound is coming? Tapa tapa. Okay now. Once again, a few stones are rattling into the metal box. Which sound is producing? Gala gala. Next, a student has produced the sound is her mouth. Which sound is coming? Yela. Next, someone sticking the table by using the iron scale. Which sound is coming? Tapa tapa. Which sound is coming? Tapa tapa. Next, someone thumbing the ground by using the shoe. Someone thumbing with the ground by using the sound. Which sound is coming? Taka taka. Which sound is coming? Taka taka. Fourth one. Someone thumbing the ground by using the shoe. Someone thumbing the ground by using the shoe. Which sound is coming? Taka taka. Next, someone knocking the door. Which sound is coming? Daba daba. Fifth one, someone knocking the door. Which sound is coming? Daba daba. Which sound is coming? Daba daba. Daba daba. Which sound is coming? Daba daba sound is coming. Next, someone is laughing in the classroom. Which sound is coming? Paka paka. Someone is laughing in our classroom generally. So, which sound is coming? Paka paka. Someone laughing. Someone is laughing in the classroom. Which sound is coming? Paka paka. Sound is coming? Paka paka. So, we are observe the different situations. We identify the different sounds. Okay na? What is our topic name? Identify the different sounds in the different situation. For example, first situation, a few stones are rattling into the metal box. Which sound is coming? Gala gala sound is coming. Next, a student has produces by sound his her mouth. Which sound is coming? It is coming from the yellow sound. Okay na? It is called for the yellow sound. Next, someone tap with the table. By using the iron scale. Which sound is coming? Taka taka. Tapa tapa sound is coming. Next, so someone thumbing the ground by using the shoe. Here also came from the sound is taka taka. Next, someone knocking the door. Which sound is coming? Daba daba sound is identified. Next, someone naturally in the laughing in the classroom. Which sound is coming? Paka paka. Paka paka sound is coming. So we are observed in this table in the different situations producing the different sounds. Okay na? Are you understanding all numbers? For example, what is the topic name? Identify the different sounds in the different situations. For example, in the classroom, one student is coming in the stand on the front of the blackboard. On the back side, some students are to make the different situations of the different sounds. Here only the student has to turn on the blackboard and he observes that which student has make the which sound. He identify the how to identify the sound. Okay na? When the body vibrate the sound, he identify the which object produces which sound. Understanding all numbers? Now I ask some questions. Okay na? How does the student has observe the different situations? When we touch the one ball, when we the objects of bodies vibrating the sound and identify the all objects are produce the sound. Yes, all objects are produce the sound. How do objects produce the sound? When we vibrating the objects, when we vibrate the bodies, automatically the sound is producing. Next, for example, I will take the one hammer. This hammer take and go to certain height and to fall to hit the one metal rod. Okay na? Do you observe the sound? Yes, I hear the one sound. The hammer is directly came fall down in the earth. Okay na? Here also we identify the some sounds. We identify some sounds. Next, do you what happens when how does the flute or whistle produce the sound? How does the flute or whistle produce the sound? In the air columns is there. Okay now the vibration of the air columns is there. They vibrate the body, they vibrate the sound and they produce the sound. Okay now, how does the flute or whistle produce the sound? The vibration of the air column produce the sound or flute or whistle. Okay now, next, do you touch the vibration of the body? Here any vibration is there? Yes, when we touch the body, the automatically the vibrations are produces. Okay now, these are the today topic. What is the topic name? Identify the different sounds in the different situations. Okay na. First of all, draw the one table. Okay na. A few stones are rattling in the metal box. How do you produce a sound? The sound is coming from the, which sound is coming? Gala gala sound is coming. Next, a student has produces by sound is her mouth. Which sound is coming? Gala sound is coming. Next, someone sticking the table by using the iron scale. Which sound is coming? Which sound is coming? That sound is coming from the tapa tapa sound is coming. Next, someone thumbing the ground by using the shoe. Which sound is coming? Taka taka sound is coming. Next, someone knocking the door. Knocking the door. Which sound is coming? Daba daba sound is coming. Next, someone laughing in our classroom. So which sound is coming? Paka paka sound is coming. So in this class we are observe the different sounds. We are observe the different sounds. Next, we are learning about the two definitions in the this topic. One is the music. What is the definition of the music? What is the definition of the music? And what is the definition of the noise? What is the definition of music? The sounds which are pleasant to hear which sounds are pleasant to hear the sound, that sounds are called for the music. What is the definition of the music? The sounds which are pleasant to hear. The sounds which are pleasant to hear the sound. These sounds are called for the music. Generally, we are listening to the music by using the earphones in the mobile too. We are listening the different types of the sound by using the earphones. Okay now, what is the definition of the music? The sounds which are pleasant to hear the sounds. These are called for the music. Next, what is the definition of the noise? The sounds which are not too pleasant, to hear the sounds. These are called for the noise. Do you understand all numbers? What is the main differences between the music and noise? Here only listening the pleasant music, pleasant sound. These are called for the music. But here we did not hear the pleasant of the sound. It is called for the noise. Once again, I will repeat this topic. What is the definition of the sound? The sounds which are pleasant to hear the sounds are called for the music. Next, what is the definition of the noise? The sounds which are not too pleasant to hear the sound. These are called for the noise. Okay now, understanding all numbers. So today in this class we are learning about the identify the different sounds in the different situations. We are take the 6 different situations. In the first situation, few stones are rattling in the metal box. Which sound is coming? Gala gala sound is coming. Next, one student produces a sound in his her mouth. Which sound is coming? Yellow sound is coming. Next, someone sticking the table by using the iron scale. Which sound is coming? Tapa tapa sound is coming. Next, someone thumbing the ground by using the shoe. Okay now. So these are also coming. Which sound? Taka taka sound is coming. Someone knocking the door. Which sound is coming? Tapa tapa. Daba daba sound is coming. Next, someone laughing in the classroom. Which sound is coming? Paka paka sound is coming. Okay now. So are understanding all numbers. Now I ask some questions. How to produce the sound? When the vibrating body, the sound is producing. Next, in the situation, flute and whistle produce the sound. The vibrating of the air columns is there. That's why they producing the sound. Next, How does the student do guesses the back side of the object of sound? He guesses the when the body vibrating the situation of the body, he identify the different sounds. Next, how would are you touch the vibrating of body? What is your feeling when we touch the vibrating body? I feel my hand is just vibrating. My hand is just vibrating. These are the today topic. Understanding all numbers? Okay, thank you.